Hi, Celia here with Bird Street Bistro, and today we're going to make Viva la Veggies in as little as 15 minutes. So the first thing we do is bring 1 cup of Bird Street Bistro and 2 1/4 cups of water to a boil for 15 minutes. All right, looks like it's done. So we're gonna take this and put some in the bowl. And we're gonna let it sit and cool to room temperature. And then it's ready, simple as that. Thank you for joining us today. Please feel free to reach out to us at any time at birdstreetbistro.com. Until next time.